Welcome to the office. We want to take a look at an example, essentially of working through some factor group computations, but in this case, we're going to state it as a theorem. So what we're taking a look at this time is regarding a cyclic group. If we have a cyclic group and we take a factor group of it, then that factor group is also cyclic, which is pretty simple to demonstrate, actually. So let's do that. Let's begin by making our assumptions. So assume that G is cyclic. Excellent, right? That's our assumption here. If G is cyclic, then a factor group of it is also cyclic. So that's what we want to show. Let N be a normal subgroup. Normal subgroup of G. Now, the reality is that G might only have the trivial subgroups, trivial normal subgroups, that is, and that's okay. That's really not an issue here. But if we have a normal subgroup, we can demonstrate that the factor group is cyclic. So how do we do that? Well, let's say that since G is cyclic, there exists an element, call it A, in G, such that A generates G. Easy enough. What we're going to do is we're going to claim that N, which is an element of the quotient group, right? The cosets of N are exactly the elements of the quotient group. We claim that this is the generator or a generator for that quotient group. So let's let Bn be in the quotient group. That could be B could be A, B could be something different. It doesn't matter. The point is, since A generates G, there exists an integer k such that B is equal to A to the k. Now, we can say An to the k, which is A to the kn, is Bn. Since B was arbitrary, since Bn was arbitrary, rather, right? Since Bn was an arbitrary element of the quotient group, we have that that An generates the quotient group. So since Bn was arbitrary, we have that An generates Gn. There we go, G mod n. That is, the quotient group is cyclic. Boom. So the quotient group of a cyclic group is itself cyclic. That's what we wanted to prove, and that is what we have proven. So thank you for your time. Join me for some more computational examples. The examples that are coming will actually be with specific groups. So those might be a little bit more interesting for you if you didn't enjoy these last two. See you soon.